don't run all simulators same time. So I am using this CML. What we can say, how to install and software link, everything I share in our Telegram channel. If you are in the Telegram channel, you can download from there, or I can share you and you can follow our video and download that one. If you stuck anywhere, let me know, so remotely I can do for you. So now let's do this lab in the CISCO CML, or I can use the similar lab whatever we done yesterday. This is the lab we done yesterday. Same thing, same configuration, same IP, only we need to change some parameter here. So I can power on this router, we will see, and if we have the old configuration we can delete also that one. So let me take the console of R1. This is a console of R1, and I will take console of R2 here, and let me check. I remember I did not save the configuration. Yeah, we don't have any configuration, we need to do from the scratch, because yesterday we did not save any configuration. No problem, let me check if I have any configuration here. No, I don't have. Anyhow, let's do that configuration I can do. Here I will write whatever the name, I will give the name as a OSPF, okay, summarization at ASBR, Autonomous System Boundary Router. Okay, this is the lab. Now we will do the R1 configuration. R1 configuration, this is simple configuration. Enable config T, host name R1, and then you will write like whatever interface E0 by 0 we are using. IP address we have 192.168.12.1. give space 255.255.255.0, and then after that I can write here so no shut I will write. Let me write here 0, then I will write no shut, and we have the loopback, so I will write loopback IP address 172.16.1.1. give space whatever the subnet mask we have, we will write that one. This is loopback 0, we will have loopback 1, I will write IP address 172.16.2.1. give space 255.255.255.0. then interface loopback 2, I will write IP address 172.16.3.1. give space 255.255.255.0, and I will write interface loopback 3, okay, and IP address 172.16.4.1, and give space 255.255.255.0. so this is the just we assign the IP address to the interface. Now we need to do the configuration. If you want to do the configuration, what you will do, you will write router OSPF 1. Okay, so I will do same thing, router OSPF 1 you will write, and then as we are saying, we need to do the connected, we need to redistribute this one. Before that one I will put this interface E0 by 0. So I will write interface E0 by 0 IP OSPF 1 area 0. This one is done. Now I need to do another one more thing. So if I want to do that one this you already know, we enable the OSPF under this interface. Now I need to say whatever interface is connected to me, redistribute that in OSPF. So for that purpose again I will write router OSPF 1. I need to go under that one and write redistribute, okay, connected subnets, that's all. So let me paste this configuration and check it is working or not in the R1. So I go here in the R1, I paste it here, and you can see I have some issue here. I have some issue where I have issue here, interface loopback. Okay, I give here to time, that's why. So let me correct here. Okay, other thing is okay, only one interface is having issue, other thing is okay. So if you see, I can write do show IP interface brief. You can see here one interface, this one is okay, loopback 0 is okay, loopback 1 is also okay, loopback 3 is also okay, loopback 4 I think having the issue. So this is a 4, I wrote 2 times 0 and 3, so that's why you have the issue. I will copy and I will paste this one also, so we will not have any issue. Okay, I put that one also. And if you want to check, show IP OSPF interface brief, on which interface OSPF is enabled. OSPF is enabled only this interface, we enable only this interface, and we told redistribute whatever is connected. So here if you see redistribute connected, so whatever is connected it will redistribute and that will go to this router. Why I am doing this one? Because I want to make this R1 as a ASBR. How you can check? You can write show IP protocol and you can see here what it is written. This router is a autonomous system boundary router. If you remember, we told if any one router who is connecting different routing protocol to the OSPF, we call that router as a autonomous system boundary router or ASBR. So this is the router which is connecting the connected subnet to the OSPF. So that's why this router become ASBR. So now he become ASBR, so we can do the summarization here. So let me do the other configuration, router 2 configuration. I can go here, I can write here like R2 configuration. Same thing what we do before, we will change the name of the router and we will assign the IP address. We have interface is 0 by 0, okay, and then we will write IP address, whatever address you have, like 192.168.12.1 or 2 we have, give space 255.255.255.0 and we will write no shut here. Now I need to write enable the OSPF, so I will write router OSPF 1 interface, whatever the interface we have. Example, we are using Ethernet 0 by 0, so I will write here IP OSPF 1 area 0. That's all. Okay, so this one I can copy and I can paste. Let me copy and paste here. Let me go to the R2 and paste here, and you can see here, right here show IP root, and you can see I am getting this root from the different routing protocol. If you are getting root from different routing protocol, you will have OE2 by default, and you can write show IP root OSPF, so you can see you are getting this root from different routing protocol. So what I can do now I will say this is only 4 roots, but imagine you are getting 4,000 root in your real world. In your organization you are receiving 4,000 root. Then what you will do? You will do summarization. So to do the summarization, if you remember, we will say summarization calculation. What you will do? You will write the first IP subnet, this one, first IP network ID. I will write here last ID network ID, or you can go to the internet and type, they will give you summarize IP with the subnet mask directly. So network ID you will write, so you will make this one 0, and after that again you will write this one, but you will say these 3 are okay from here to here. So for that purpose I will write these 3 okay you have, right? So I will write these 2, these 172 16 are okay, so I wrote like this, but this one, so I need to convert this into binary. So how you will convert? 0 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You are converting this into binary, because already we know that if you want to convert any number into binary, we will use this procedure. Let me write here. You will say 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Like this you have 6, 7, 8. So on it will go. But now let's see, this will 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, this is 4, this is 8, 4, 2, 1 we are saying, and 16, 32. This is 64, 128. So now you need only 1 here. So you will write only 1 here, remaining will be 0. This way we can do the calculation. 8 bit you have, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bit. So this is the value of 1. Now you need to calculate, this is 1, decimal 1 is equal to binary this, and you need to calculate one more 4. If you want to get 4, you will write here, you have 4 already, so you will write 4 here, 1 here, the remaining all will be 0. You will not see this one, don't see this, maybe you will confuse, see this one only, like this. Where what you need, you will put that value. Example, you have like this box. If you need 4, you will put 1, remaining will be 0. If you need 5, you will put 1 here, 1 here. Okay, so now you need 4, so in the place of 4, what I can write here in this place, I can write 1 2 3 4 5 1 0 0. This is a 4. Okay, if you want to write the 4 in the decimal or in the binary, you can write this way. And now you will check what is common. Till here is common, all the bits from here to here, only it is changing from here. So count 1 2 3 4 and this is 5. So here 8 bit, here 8 bit, here 5 bit only common. So you will write 8 plus 8 plus 5. 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 17 18. 8 plus 8 is 16, right? 8 plus 8 is 16 and you have 5 here. This one 5. So 16 plus 5 is 21. So new subnet mask will be, summarized subnet mask will be /21. And IP will be, you have 17, 16 and this we will write 0 and here also we will write 0. So this is the summarized IP, summarized subnet mask is /21. And how you can write the /21 if you want to get, you can write this way. If you remember the table, what I draw just now, you will follow that table only. Let me show you that one. I think I erased the table, this one only. What I am saying, 128, 64 and you have 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So here you have 5, right? Here if you remember 8 plus 8 plus 5. So 5 means you write 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you will add this all number. 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8. When you add all this one, it will become 248. So you will write that one. Here 8 bit, here 8 bit. So you will write 255. Here this one, and here also all bit 255. And here is what you have here. Here you have 5 only. 5 means 248. So you write 248 and last one is 0. So this is a new subnet mask. Okay. So this IP will become like this, and new subnet mask we can write like subnet mask will be 255.255.248.0. That's all. Now how you will advertise this, how you will put this in the OSPF. So you will go again under the OSPF. I can write here somewhere here. So you need to go under the OSPF. So you will write router OSPF 1 and then you will write here in this one summary address and put that address 172.16.0.0. Give space, write new subnet mask 255.248.0. That's all. You need to put this, then after that it will change. Okay, if I copy and if I put this here, if I go in this one and if I put this here, okay, now you check, it will change here. You will not get that one. See, you are getting single root, but you can ping here 172.16.1.1, it will work. And if you do for 2.1, it will work. If you do for 3.1, it will work. If you do for 4.1 also, it will work. Okay, so with this one successfully we completed this what we can say OSPF summarization at ABR.